Facts. This is my week 3 project update of project deployment, final class. I'm just going to go ahead and run through the app and show you what it looks like now compared to last week. I'm just going to go ahead and sign in. And while I'm signing in, this week has been a real test towards the end of the week. I was having problems with a chat view controller pod that wasn't correctly going into my app, and so it took 3 days of development out of whack just to try to fix this. I ended up having to restart my project from pretty much bare project and then place everything back in, which took another about a day and a half to get everything sorted out. But here's my project. You see I signed in with my user. And now I've got my all is selected from the jump on the initial screen, and the user can click over to my reviewed. If they have reviewed, they will get the ones that they have reviewed. And I've also added down here the name of the place and their address that you put. So it goes on the bottom, and then the user's name's up here. We have got the rating stars coming through, what the user selected, and also their comments. The My Followers view is one of the things that's been broken. The following, since I've had to update my app, and that's one of the things I have not got back to implement completely. It started giving me a nil error from the database, but I will have that fixed soon. But I do have the my reviewed and my hour working great. The stars are coming through, the name and address. I also got the Facebook share button and the Twitter share button. So if you hit the Facebook, it takes a little longer on simulator on the device. It's pretty much instant as soon as you click the button. And yeah, it's still waiting for there it goes. The Facebook pops up and you can post it, add your text. It'll post a photo of the place that you want to share. Then you can have your audience. So that was a Facebook. Now here goes the Twitter. We'll click Twitter, and again, it takes it a second. There it goes. You can just post right to your Twitter, giving some information about what you click the sale or the post, and you can either follow the user, you can cancel back out, or you can click the message view. And this is where one of the problems I had in the week is sort of fell into my development because the message is not completely implemented yet. It is implemented to where all users can send to the same message right now. Just still trying to reconfigure the database for the messages, but you can click message and it will take you to the messages tab, and there you'll have a user user list, and then you'll be able to click on that user and then go into a chat and see. This is no matter what person you are, you're going to the same chat right now. But we did get this view controller loaded in. This is part of the pod, so we have actually got that solved, and just need to finish implementing a few more key things. So that's the messages tab. So that takes care of the home tab and messages tab. We'll go to the local places tab next, and we have our local places still in the list. Everything looks working good. I'm going to click over to my reviewed, and now you can see all 3 or 4 of my reviewed like you've seen on the home page is the post. You can now click onto a cell, go to the detailed views and edit view, and we'll go back. You can see you get the place name thing, the comments, and you can go in. You can also go in and add a place. Here's where you would add a place. You can go into your profile view. You can change your username, your email. You You can reset your password. This is another part that got broken when I switched over, was the following part, what I mentioned in the home page. That part of my database code is just, it's not liking what happened. So one of the first things I'll do probably tonight and going into the morning is get that worked out and the messages part worked out, and then get my detail views back to where they need to be, and I should be ready for testing tomorrow after I get all that done. It'll be late tomorrow, but I should get testing in. We can switch over to the settings page. Here the radius tab was not working last time, and now you can set it, and as you can see, when you set it, it updates, and also updates to the user defaults, and your Google Places will go by this radius. I haven't done the theme. That'll be another thing, and the contact the developer, that'll be another thing done before testing. So that's it. We pretty much showed you the app, what it looks like now, and what we've added to it and fixed. And there was a few things that was still broken that need to be fixed, but they will be done with that issue very shortly. Thank you for watching the video.